Good morning everyone. In today's class, before we start class, let's recall what we did in the previous classes in that chapter. In this chapter, we discussed about, we started with land, then we discuss that uses of land, conservation of land, the misuses of land and recreation of land. Then we again we start the soil. We all did same process with the soil. Now the next natural resource is our water. As you know that water is very important in our life. It is a very important natural resource that provided by nature to us. So without water we cannot live. Without water we means all the living things cannot live without water. Do you know that our first life on the earth that start or that begin from the water. So that's why water is so important. So let's see what is in our chapter or what we will be discussed in our today's class. Water is a very important renewable natural resource. As you know that water is very important, and the second thing you have to remember that it is renewable. It is renewable natural resource. Renewable means it can be renewed again and again. Water can be renewed again and again. वाटर को हम अगेन एंड अगेन यूज कर सकते हैं और ये रिन्यूएबल भी होता है. सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वाटर इज अ रिन्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्स. द नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड, 3/4 of the earth's surface. Now when you see the earth, the whole earth or globe, ever you think that why the whole earth covered with blue color? If you know, then good. If you don't know, then come here. How much part of the earth? 3/4 means third part of upon the fourth. Earth's surface is covered with water. With water. The 3/4 part of Earth's surface is covered with water. So it is called the water planet. You know that this is the only planet in our solar system that have water. And because of water, every living thing is possible on the earth planet. Next, life on the earth began from ocean almost 3.5 billion years back. As I mentioned that it was the ocean which was primitive, that on that or in that the life on the earth began from ocean. Our first life was began from the ocean. हमारी जो यहाँ पृथ्वी पे जैसे अभी हम हैं तो हमसे पहले कुछ और थे, उससे पहले जैसे डायनासोर्स वगैरह बहुत सारे ऐसे एजेस आई हैं। उन एजेस में जो सबसे सबसे पहला लाइफ था, हो सकता है वो किसी प्लांट का ही हो, तो वो बिगिन कहाँ से हुआ था? वो ओशियन से। ओशियन किसका बना होता है? वाटर। सो ऑलमोस्ट हाउ मेनी इयर्स बैक? 3.5 billion years back. From today 3.5 billion years back, the life starts on the earth from the ocean. Now, as you know that our ocean, in our earth's surface, the ocean water is in huge amount. It is in huge amount, बहुत ज़्यादा है. But as you know that in the consumption of us, for us, that water cannot fit. हमारे कंजप्शन के लिए ओशन का वाटर है वो फिट नहीं है, वो हमारे लिए फिट नहीं है. So for our consumption, what we need? We need fresh water. What we need? Fresh water here. Fresh water accounts for only about 2.57%. 2.7% water is only fresh water. Okay. Now 2.7% water of whole from the 100%, only 2.5% is fresh. Okay, only fresh. The less 97.3% water is salty or ocean. Okay, so it is unusable or not fit for consumption. Okay. Now in the fresh water, let's see what happened. Fresh water accounts for only about 2.7%, but nearly of 2.7%, in that 70%, nearly 70% of this occurs as ice sheets, glaciers. Okay. Now 2.7% फ्रेश वाटर है, उसमें से उसका भी 70% कहाँ पर है? आइस शीट्स एंड ग्लेशियर्स के रूप में. एंड दो दैट वाटर और these are inaccessible. This water cannot accessible for us. So 70% of 2.7% वो भी हमारे लिए अनयूजेबल है. अब कितना बचा? पीछे बचा ओनली 30%. वो भी किसका? 2.7 का 30%, नॉट 100. 2.7 का 30%. Now only 1% of fresh water is available and fit for human use. This one is more important. Only 1% of fresh water. 2.7 is the total amount of fresh water, and only 1% of 2.7 fresh water is available and fit for human use. This is the thing. So as you know that, okay, do you know that where the ice sheets and glaciers found? On the Arctic, Antarctica, poles, Greenland. These are the main resources where we can find easily the glaciers. Now, as you know that fresh water is most precious now. As you know that only 1% of fresh water is usable. So water is so precious substance on the earth. Water is so precious. When we are using this water for our use, we should be more careful than anything, because you know that only 1% of fresh water is available for human use. अब human use है, as you know that human population is growing, and as the human population is growing, the demand also will grow. The demand also will grow. And do you know that water is not addable or not subtractable? It remains constant. जितना है उतना ही रहेगा, ना तो इसमें कुछ वाटर ऐड किया जा सकता है, ना इसमें से कम किया जा सकता है. जितना वाटर अर्थ पे है उतना ही रहता है. How it is? The fresh water is found. Fresh water is found on as groundwater. The fresh water is found as groundwater, as surface water, in rivers and lakes, and as water vapor in the atmosphere. So, you know that water, fresh water, in what type of resource we can find fresh water? There are three. The first one as a groundwater, second as a surface water, and third as a water vapor. Okay. Now groundwater means in the ground, downside of the surface, ground के अंदर जिसमें से हमें वेल्स और ट्यूबवेल्स वहां से जो वाटर निकालते हैं वो सारा ग्राउंड वाटर है. सरफेस वाटर, सरफेस पे जो वाटर है उसमें रिवर्स एंड लेक्स, ये सरफेस वाटर है. एंड एज अ वाटर वेप्योर, नंबर 3 का जो वाटर वेप्योर है वो है वाटर वेप्योर. वाटर का वेप्योर के रूप में प्रेजेंट होना. वेप्योर यू नो वेप्योर, हमने वाटर साइकिल पढ़ा है. आपने वाटर साइकिल में जब वाटर है, वाटर से वाटर वेपोरेशन होगा, भाप बन के वाटर है वो वहां जाता है. ठीक है ना. वाटर वेपोरेशन, फिर उसके बाद में कंडेंसेशन होता है, बादल बनते हैं, और फिर वो प्रिसिपिटेशन हो जाता है उसका, उन सबका प्रिसिपिटेशन हो जाता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द वाटर साइकिल. सो इन दैट वाटर वेप्योर होना, भाप बनना वाटर का, दैट इज द ऑल्सो रिसोर्स ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर. वो जो भाप बनी हुई है वो भी एक फ्रेश वाटर का रिसोर्स है. नेक्स्ट वन इज water can neither be added or subtracted from the earth. I already told you that water can neither means cannot be added or cannot be subtracted from the earth. Its total volume remains constant. इसमें ना तो वाटर में हम कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं और neither we cannot subtract. The total volume of remain, how much water is present from the beginning, the fresh water, that's also now. जितना पहले था फ्रेश वाटर वो अभी है और फ्यूचर में भी रहेगा. Think about it. Human use amount of water. Now uses of water. In which type of work we use the water, fresh water? Not only for drinking and washing. Now we use water not only for drinking and washing. That means we use water in drinking, in washing. Okay. And with this in the production we use water in the production, like agriculture, industries, generating electricity. Okay, so these are the uses of water where we use water for us. So I already told you that water is so precious, and as you know that fresh water is so less than total amount of water. जो total amount of water है उससे जो fresh water है बहुत कम है. So when we are using water, we should be more careful about use of that. And as you know that population is growing, the increasing, very much increasing, so that make the demand in rise. The demand in rise. Now, if I am, for example, I am one, then I may drink 2 or 3 liter in a day. In a day. एक दिन में मैं कितना पानी पीऊंगा? 2 या 3 लीटर. Okay? Now, if on the place of me, 4 person, then how much they will consume in a day? Up to 10 to 12 liter. Then the consumption increased. So on that process, when the population is increasing, then the demand of water or demand of consumption will also increase. And not only it is the example, drinking is the example. Now think about food, agriculture. When the population of increase, then for the production, the water use of production also increase, because the agriculture will need more water, industry will need more water, in the electricity that need of that water is also increased. So increasing urbanization, rising standards of living are the major factors leading to shortages in the supply of fresh water, and due to drying up of water sources and water pollution. And these all are the reasons that make the water pollution. So this is our class. Note down all points in your notebook. That will help you to get the main meaning of the water. Have a nice day. See you again.